what's up, everyone? So, wanted to show you, let me get my angle a little better here. I only have like 5 minutes, but, basically, I got some, Sound Edge, Paiste 2002 Sound Edge. I got that for the hi-hats. And then I also got a 2002 Ride. Sorry, I know camera's kind of all over the place right now. But, just to show you, just so I have proof, that I also got the 2002 Ride, the 22-inch. So, both brand new, brand spanking new. And between the 2002, and then also, because I have the Formula 602, the Vinnie Colaiuta Ride. I really like that Vinnie Colaiuta Ride. Just because the 2002s, I think, are B12 bronze. And the 602, the Vinnie Colaiuta Ride, that's a B20. And those are like $600, something like that. But what I got is a K-Custom Dark right here. I've got a Paiste Fast Crash here. I've got a Zildjian FX Oriental, and then I put on my Sound Edge hi-hats. They're very high pitched. These are 14s, but to me they almost sound like 13s. They're really kind of bright and rocking. So, okay, anyway, guys, I got my Paiste 2002 Sound Edge up here. I just got them. I got them brand new. And then I also got a Paiste 2002 Ride. So, I might as well put that up with it really quick. I only have like 4 minutes. I have an interview for my school psych job here in just a few seconds. But I'm playing with the K-Custom Dark here. And then I had my K-Suite. So basically, all the videos that I put up yesterday from all my students at the recitals, I was using fat hats, the prototype fat hats. And then I was also using the K-Suites. And then, surprise, surprise, I set up the Mapex again. Yeah, we got the Mapex rocking. So, and you can see here, this is the Formula 602. So this is what the Formula 602 sounds like. I love that timbre. It's got a great timbre. Okay, and then quickly, And these 602s, they're very heavy. They are very heavy, like very heavy. Heavier than my K Customs, heavier than the 602. They are heavy. And then I lost my sticks. Okay, here we go. Alright, so here's the 602, I mean the 2002 ride with the 2002 hi-hats. A lot more overtones and undertones. Not as crashable because it's heavy. But it's still a great ride. This was one of the first rides I played with when I was like in the rock phase, you know, and didn't quite know what I was doing, just copying sounds. But I love the sound. The timbre of these 2002s is great. If you want a brighter sound, the 2002s are a great line to get. I wouldn't really recommend like the PS3s and 7s, that kind of stuff. They're more B8s. But as soon as they get into like the CS, NU12, whatever their alloy is, because, you know, they make proprietary alloys, that kind of thing. But this is what they will sound like together. I'll play some 16s for you quickly. You heard some rolls in there, but they're very crisp and they're very articulate. But they sound to me like 13s. They're higher pitched, so they sound very similar to my K Custom Hybrid 13s, the Akira Jumbo cymbals, the ones that have, you know, the brilliant finish on the outside and then traditional lathe finish on the outside. These sound very similar to that. Very similar to that. I'll do a longer video later, but I want to at least kind of give you a sound of, like, you know, what the 2002 hi-hats along with the 2002 ride kind of sounds like together. They make great jazz hats. Because they're quick and they're higher pitched. So for like smaller venues, well, they're rocking too. So you could lay into them and open them up, and they're great rocking cymbals too. But for kind of my genres and stuff that I be playing. More with foot chick, that kind of stuff. All right, guys. Happy drumming. See you later.